If you need reminders of how to say the D sound, make sure to go back and review my video. Okay, we're working on sentences today. So, when we look at the initial sound, that just means the first letter of your D word will be a D sound. Okay, the dog is very good. Repeat after me. You need to eat your dinner. I love my rubber duck. I have 1 dime. Good job. Keep up the great work. She brought a dozen donuts. Yum! Take the trash to the dump. Phew, get it out of here. Throw the dart. I bet you're great at darts. Dairy makes my brother sick. Please close the door. It will cost you $1. I love to scuba dive. I wonder what fish we would see. The dove is beautiful. Don't forget, repeat after me. Just do your best. This time, the D sound will be in the middle of one of the words in our sentence. I love Buddy the elf. Watch the duck waddle. Look at the cuttlefish. He doesn't look very cuddly to me. Put a saddle on the horse. Giddy up, cowboy. The baby is in a swaddle. I lost 1 sandal. Oh no! I play the fiddle. Don't step in the puddle. I dropped the paddle. The girl is the oldest. Good job. Let's continue to do sentences. Repeat after me. This time, the D sound will be the last sound in one of your words. Here goes. I'll have croutons on my salad. I love to read books. What kind of books do you like to read? Pigs love to play in the mud. The barn is very old. The race car is high speed. The toad is green. The road is very long. I wonder where it leads to. A seed got stuck in my teeth. The cord is long. You guys did a great job working hard. Keep up the good work and keep practicing. I know you'll get it. All right, have a great day. See you next time.